I can't wait to take those motherfucking shit out, make this shit loud. Son, it's too quiet.
Nah, though, but the little jump don't really like.
You about to eat much, you don't know. Up in the piazza, beaming on Marco. Stacking that shit at the Bronco.
What do you tell your boy Bright? Back when, you know what I'm saying? Me and Jerry's Hellcat shopping. Right now, we Hellcat red eye shopping. Hopefully, let's test drive it. We test drive it. I'm turning that shit up on phone now. We gonna turn that shit up on 30.
We're here to get a car.
Stupid ass. If we get they let me test drive that Hellcat. What? The whole city gonna see me drive that shit.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
That shit gonna be on TikTok.
Yo, stay tuned. We about to do shit.
Tear that shit up. Oh my gosh.
Tell you shit. Imagine we get 2 of these shits. I know. Imagine we get 2 of these.
I like them. It's so expensive. It's like 100K.
This right here.
This one's 93K. This one's like over.
Damn, this bitch right here looks sexy. Ain't shit niggas telling me I'm going off in this bitch.
This car be beating the Chargers and shit. It's all-wheel drive.
Nigga, I will bug the fuck out. It look, yup, it definitely is. That shit look like it's stock like it too. It's not.
That is something else for you to do.
Look at that one right here.
Because they've been getting it.
Hmm? Only 84?
84 until 23.
Damn, so you know 18 of that it's gonna be like, it's gonna be good.
This shit is cool.
It's a what?
I don't know. This is a Hellcat though. It's not the one though. The one he's looking at is black, but it's not wide body. This one's wide body. Yeah, this one's not wide body. This one's wide body. I wonder how much this goes for though. Wide body Hellcat. Let me see it. I don't know what these is. These are both Hellcats, but I don't know. I hope this is it right here. I'm tired of looking at it.
Shit. They probably got that bitch tucked in because they don't want that bitch stolen.
Yep.
Is this one?
Jailbreak. I don't know what year is this? 2023. I don't know. This is a jailbreak. This is not it. This is a 2023 jailbreak.
It's not a red eye, look.
Nah, I know. Look, this is a jailbreak Hellcat for 6.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's Bright.
Right?
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen you before. What do? You just do vlogs and shit?
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen you before.
Bro?
I feel like I have, bro. You look familiar. I'm not gonna lie. Or I've seen you around. You go to you live in Wellington?
I moved now, but I live in Royal Palm.
Oh, Royal Palm.
Yeah, which is right next to Wellington.
Yeah. I know mad people from Royal Palm. I know
That's a.
I know people that went to Royal Palm High too. I don't know.
That's where I went, yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You know Nick Dillard?
Sounds familiar.
For real?
How old is he though?
He's damn, I don't know. 19, 18?
Nah, I'm way old. I'm 26. So.
26? Oh shit, okay.
Yeah.
That shit sound beautiful.
Hell yeah, bro, I'm beyond it, bro.
Got the red goods too.
I can't wait to take those motherfucking shit out, make this shit loud. Shit too quiet.
It is too quiet.
Hold on, stay on this side, just stay right here.
Record the rev.
So what?
Record the rev. Hop in the seat.
So
Hop in the seat. Record the rev.
you get in?
Nah, I'm about to make a thumbnail real quick.
It's too quiet.
Nah, though, but the little jump don't really like all-wheel drive, bro.
That's how the Durango take off.
I can do a little jump like right over here, like right here.
Right in
Go
front
through
of
this
the
gate,
yeah,
bro.
go through the gate, because right in front of the building, our
It's
manager's
kind of
right
hot.
here.
Go through the
Okay. So you're like down this, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
So that's our manager's right there.
I ain't gonna lie. Tell your manager we gonna come back and get this. They'll be alright.
Nah, yeah, they went good. Alright, so we'll do it on the way back.
Got some real customers here, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's just so I don't even.
I ain't never
Just thinking, bruh.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there.
That bitch feel like you glided, nigga.
You do it smooth, like
That shit feel like you glided, son.
You gotta drive though, you gotta drive.
I ain't gonna lie, we gonna have to talk about this.
Park right here. I'm gonna let you gotta drive, so you know. 'Cause you my partner, so it's like you gotta feel what I feel. That shit too hard.
To punish and enslave. That's what it says, bro.
What does it say?
That shit says to punish and enslave.
That shit might be down fast to beat that ass. Yeah, hard too. Venom, nigga, look at that shit. He got the Venom sign there where the Hellcat shit would be too.
That's the nigga from last time.
Which one?
That Venom car.
You seen him already? Mm-hmm. I've been reading dog shit.
I
Why you parked the regular? What's wrong with him?
I know, right? This is dope. We'll move on this way.
Wait, you stand over there? I'm like, that ain't his car.
Let me see. I'm gonna report everybody, bring everybody.
Everybody get these bands. Yeah, what you doing?
Shit, dumb, bro.
Cutting my cup full of money. Said I was butter, but she called me honey. Digging her stuff and I really want Sunday. Hope she don't bum it, I'm deep in her stomach. Told her I'm coming, she already coming.
Yeah.
Numbers of millions, 100 in science. Came out the trench with a heart of a lion. What shit they selling, ain't nobody buying. We bout to eat much, you don't know. Up in the Piazza, beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up, don't get your folks out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. So nigga.
He's gonna be out.
She was like